Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights for Conveyancing Newcastle, reliable residential property conveyancing in Lambton, NSW. I'm your host, Connie. Let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're shining a spotlight on the crucial role of conveyancing in property transactions, especially right here in Lambton. Conveyancing Newcastle is dedicated to making your property journey smooth and efficient. We specialise in thorough residential property services, focusing on swift turnaround times and expert navigation of complexities. So, what exactly is residential property conveyancing? Well, it's the legal process of transferring property ownership, covering everything from preparing contracts to conducting vital searches. It's truly vital for safeguarding your interests. If you're pondering property moves, reaching out for expert advice is always your best first step. Navigating the world of property conveyancing can feel overwhelming, but that's precisely where we step in to help. At Conveyancing Newcastle, we handle all the legalities and paperwork, ensuring a smooth, stress-free process tailored to your unique needs. You might wonder, how long does this all take? Typically, it ranges from a few weeks to a couple of months, but our efficient team always aims to keep things swift. And what about fees? We believe in transparency, so you'll receive a clear breakdown up front with no surprises. You'll appreciate our deep expertise and commitment to precision, ensuring every detail is meticulously managed to help you avoid potential issues down the line. Our client-focused approach means personalised support at every stage. For our Lambton locals, you know our charming suburb, with its rich heritage and vibrant community. When you're buying or selling here, a conveyancer familiar with the local market nuances can make all the difference. We're your dedicated ally, offering home purchase assistance that feels like having a trusted compass. Many first-time home buyers feel anxious about legal aspects, but with us, you gain peace of mind and invaluable knowledge, avoiding costly pitfalls like hidden fees. We guarantee compliance with all local regulations, ensuring a seamless transaction from start to finish. Don't let the complexities weigh you down. Attain peace of mind with expert residential property conveyancing. Book a call with our conveyancing expert today to discuss your property needs.